Well, today we're going to pull the front tires off both of these cars and see the damages. That one looks like garbage. She doesn't know which way she's going. This way kind of knows which way she's going, but she's got no way of getting there. So let's get both these tires, well, I guess all 4 tires off, and then assess the damages of these 2 cars. Okay guys, so this one right here is about what we expected. Tie rod is danked. Look at that. Take my good tie rod. It's got to be removed. It's an easy fix. I say this side here is about maybe 25 minutes to fix. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the other side and take a look at the other side. It looks like the rim has been riding on the strut a bit, but this side here broke an outer axle. So this side here is about another 25 minutes to fix. We're going to ignore that. And yeah, so we'll get this thing fixed. I was told that it was starting to belly out a bit. So what we're going to do is maybe try to get a little bit extra height here in the back and see what we can do to get this thing in the ring maybe one more time. I know it's junk, but she's still got some life in it. Okay, on to the Subaru. We have a bent strut on this side, an axle that is no longer axling. Tie rods are straight, axles, suspension is good, brakes look good, bearings look good. So we need 2 struts and a passenger side axle. It's not that bad. Look at so I don't think these struts are very good. Not at all. So I guess tonight we're going to order some parts for this thing. That's why I don't like running cars that are not Toyotas, because then I got to go out and buy parts to fix them. So we got quite a bit of work done to this car yesterday. We got the passenger side all put back together, but we still need to do the driver's side. Now the driver's side's easy. It's just a tie rod. It's just get in there, break the tie rod off, change it. But yesterday I went and bought a 2003 or 2004 4-cylinder Camry, the first one I ever bought. But while I was there, I seen the fact that Buddy had a whole bunch of Subarus. He had Outbacks and Foresters, but no Outbacks this year. So I talked to him. I'm gonna head back there today and I'm gonna buy some struts and axles, and hopefully they work. Hopefully they are the right size for this one. So we're just loading up the truck with some tools and we're gonna head there and see what we can do. Just need to get an axle nut and then some more tools out of the Dodge, and then we're good to head out and get some more parts for this thing. Hopefully we can get one more run out of it. So I made it to the scrapyard. I already found these sitting beside a different Impreza over there, different body style, but now we have the Outback over here. So what we're gonna do, don't mind the rusty and dirty box back here, or the giant eventually drinks. Those are just what I use to survive. We're gonna go start taking out that parts to the Subaru. So I think well, that sucked, and that just went into my arm. Ooh, that wasn't very nice. That hurts. What is the chance of that? Picking up a Sawzall blade, turning on the mini grinder, then cutting into your arm. Let's get this pair of vice grips and this hammer and this socket set, and we're gonna head over there. So my plan is to undo this axle nut first and then take the strut out, just cut these brake lines and the ABS lines. I don't need any of that. Take the strut, take the axle. Don't really mess around with anything else. It kind of looks like the exact same car, so I'm really hoping the axles are the same. So let's get going. I was a little nervous. I forgot my pry bar to pull it out, so I just pulled on this one. I got it out. The cup is broken, but I don't know. It might be okay. Now my problem is I haven't done a whole lot of research online to see what cars fit what, but honestly, this just came apart pretty nicely. So what I think we're going to do now is we're going to find something to try to jam underneath the far side, bring down this jack, and hopefully we can get the other side out. What the heck can I find to jam underneath here? I got some rocks. There's a tire. We'll use the tire. I like tires, guys. Tires are safe. Tires are sturdy. Tires are fucking everywhere. So we got this jack positioned in a way. God damn, does that hurt. In a way that I didn't even have to use the tire. We can save the tire for the Subaru over there. Sorry, this is a Subaru too. That one's a Forester, this one's an Outback, that one's an Impreza. So there's 3 Subarus here we're going to be taking parts off of. So anyway, we got it up. The only problem is now, is it's a frickin' pond over here and there's bees everywhere. So I'm pretty sure there's a beehive in here. So there's hornets and bumblebees. Oh, so let's make a bridge. Never know what you're going to find too. Sometimes there's snakes and shit underneath some of this stuff. So that's like a computer screen. You never know what you're going to find here. Tuck this over here. Yep. Okay. Let's do the same over here. So we've got everything I think we need off of this. I don't know how long it's been sitting here, but it's been here a while, that's for sure. This place is so mucky that everything is just rotten. Look at the water here is crazy. But there is a Forester over there I was going to take parts from, but honestly, because of the Impreza over there and the Outback, I think I got all the parts I need. The Impreza was missing axles, and I already had the spindles off, and the struts were just sitting there. So I was like, score, and I took them. So yeah, we did that. The next thing, the ones out of this Outback, the springs are broken. So I took off the top hats, but they're not coming off. So these are like little time bombs sitting here. I'm going to hit them with a hammer here shortly, see if they come apart. Stand off to the side. Don't know what I'm going to do there. And these are throwing the grenade. Ugh. No, they're not even a throwing grenade. Come apart. How do you come apart? I don't want the spring, it's broken. There we go. There. Spring's broken. Hopefully I don't have to pay for it now. I'll go put that back in the car and keep all those parts. That was on there pretty good. You know what? I think you look pretty good sitting right there. Good spring. I did snag this Caravan bumper. It looked a lot better, but then when I peeled it off, it looks like junk. But hopefully we don't get charged too much. We got 2 axles. One's kind of iffy. We got 2 half struts with no springs, and we got 2 struts with springs. Be interesting to see what we get charged. I'm gonna go for a little drive around. This took a lot less time than I thought it would, so I kind of have some time before work. So I'm gonna look around and see what we can find. Did look at that Caravan bumper over there. It's not good. It's rustier than that one. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow, because tomorrow we'll be putting these struts inside this car. And I don't know, hopefully they fit. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing all fixed up and run her again, that's for sure. So thanks for watching, everybody. We got all the parts from the junkyard. Now we just got to put them in and get rid of this thing. Like, what the heck is that?